In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you jargon. What is jargon? What is the difference between jargon and register? And how jargon and register they are having similarities. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about jargon, jargon is actually refers to a type of a register which is based on specialized words, vocabulary, and technical terms. Jargon is related to a specific field. Specific field does not mean that only one field has jargon. No, every field has its own specific technical specialized terms. Those technical and specialized terms we call jargon. So it means that each and every field has its own jargons. Like law, it has its own jargon. Education, it has its own jargon. Business, it has its own jargon. Science, it has its own jargons. Now, listeners and audience, the question arises that what is the main difference between jargon and register? Actually, register is an extensive and broad field. It includes like that it is a variety of language, which is characterized by vocabulary, tone, and style, and spoken by a specific group of people as a language. However, jargon is a type of register, and jargon refers to some specific and technical words that are related to every field. Every field has its own jargons. Remember that jargon can be difficult for others. It means one field of people, they only know the jargons of their usage, the jargon of their communication, but these words are unfamiliar to the outsiders. Listeners and audience, for better understanding, let me provide some examples of jargon and different fields. In education, the examples of jargons are, for example, pedagogy. We have pedagogy. Pedagogy is the talking about the teaching methods. For example, scaffolding, relating to supporting others, scaffolding. Okay. And then when we are talking about, for example, science, in science, for example, we have photosynthesis, mitosis. If you're talking about another field, for example, law, in law, we have, or in court language, we have such words, jargons like suspended. Suspended, it is another word. Talking about some other professional words, however, each and every field has its own jargons, which are specific and characterized to their field. I hope that now you know about jargon, that what is jargon and it's how it is different from a register. Thank you.